Welcome back to Primetime News and a very special welcome to those of you joining us online at onespotmedia.com. Now up first this evening, business operators and residents near the Little Dunn's River in St. Anne are urgently appealing for the facility to be reopened. Now since it was ordered closed 8 months ago after a man was killed near the facility, small business owners say they have been struggling to survive. Kalisha Williams visited the area recently and has this Primetime News in Focus report.
A gem guarded by 24-hour security, protected by padlocks and chains.
And the hottest time I ever seen in Jamaica, and I don't know all the people I manage right now. No free beach along the stretch unless you have big money to pay at some places.
The authorities have been going above and beyond to keep people out of the popular Little Dunn's River beach property.
We feel that all of this has been taken away from the local people, and we are really interested in even having a dialogue.
It has been like this since September 2022, when a man was shot and killed along the street adjoining the property. At the time, the police had warned that the facility would remain closed pending further investigations in order to prevent crime from spiraling in the area.
No crime never happened here before. I'm here 27 years. I get my idea from the Dunn River. And I come in the wilderness and clean it. Just the water was here. No one was here.
So like a cart without wheels, operations at the so-called Little Dunn's River have been at a standstill for over 8 months now. And the people here told me they have been struggling to survive.
I could go home and put on my pot and fire. Now I've been home sleeping every day, want $1, nothing is coming in and everything is going out.
We feel left out and we feel locked out, you know, and we feel that the opposition or the government or nobody don't care about we, you know.
My question is to bro guys still. If one man dead on the beach and you lock it down, or you not lock down none of hotel them where people are dead, you know. Because me I want a man them vote for and I tell myself I never vote for.
The property is owned by the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, but has been occupied by these people for decades. And as I was told, the residents are also responsible for putting up the necessary infrastructure.
We invest hundreds of thousands of dollars inside here, you know, by building up steps and building up a place and thing, you know.
So, did you pay like a fee? Do you pay tax? What do you do here? Are you registered?
Well, at the time, we just did go and sell until the government come in and fully regulate we. Because we did wait for the government to come and fully regulate the item fully, you know.
Dr. Devon Taylor is the president of the Jamaica Beach Birthright Environmental Movement. He believes this is another case of the public being denied access to the island's beaches. Like the residents, Mr. Taylor argues that large resorts are treated differently when incidents of crime occur.
It seemed disproportionate, the response, that they would maintain the closure and, you know, under the disguise that an investigation is pending and this is going to be something that is going to be of a larger impact on the society, so we need to keep it closed. That is a form of collective punishment, and collective punishment is actually illegal under Article 33 of the United Nations Convention.
He stressed that he does not subscribe to the belief that the people on the beach are illegal settlers. He said that area has been occupied by the residents for over 50 years, even before people classified it as an attraction. So there has to be a different approach.
That's not what a government does. Providing security does not really only mean providing security with guns. It means providing the secure spaces that the population can use to enjoy, to unwind. And that will help in the de-escalation of many drivers of insecurity in the nation.
In the meantime, when TVJ News contacted the UDC for a response, all it said is that Little Dunn's River is not a licensed beach and any operations there would be unauthorized as the site does not have amenities for public health and safety. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.